Hello everyone, welcome to my BB Education channel. Today I am going to tell you the business organization and management subject which is related to your first semester. Okay, I am going to follow the Kalyani publication. I am going to tell you today all the important questions which is related to your first semester examination. Okay, so let us discuss the syllabus and as well as the important questions. Okay, in unit 1, introduction and forms of business organization, the most important question is business, meaning of business for 5 marks, commerce and objectives, industry objectives and business commerce for 5 marks. It is very important for 5 marks question, so please learn this for 5 marks. Then functions of business for long one. Okay, sole proprietorship, partnership for long questions. Then kinds of partner for long one. Learn kinds of partner, sole proprietorship and partnership. It is very important questions. Okay, learn these three definitely for the 12 marks. So let's move on to the second unit, joint stock company, meaning, definition, then advantages and disadvantages of joint stock company, kinds of company for 12 marks. Advantages and disadvantages of joint stock company is also for 12 marks. Then memorandum, article and prospectus of association for 12 marks. So I am giving you these 5 questions for 12 marks. Don't read 5 mark questions separately. If you want to read, means read hearing prospectus. Okay, read hearing prospectus for 5 marks. If you want to read, means learn read hearing prospectus for 5 marks. Okay, for 12 marks, memorandum, article, prospectus and advantages and disadvantages of joint stock company. Then kinds of company, most important is kinds of company, memorandum, article and prospectus. Memorandum article is most important for 12 marks. Okay, and then third unit is what? Introduction to functions of management, meaning of management, definition of management. First write it, then write functions of management. This will definitely come in your examination. It is most important question. Then second most important is 14 principles of Henry Fayol. Okay, Fayol's 14 principle is very important for long one. Any one will definitely come from this two for your long one, long question. Then move on to the fourth unit. Please don't learn any 5 mark question separately in this unit. Okay, characteristics is for 5 marks. Learn for safe side. They definitely won't ask you a different answer for the characteristics or different answer for the 5 marks. It will ask you from here only. Learn this two answer is enough for your 5 marks and 12 marks. So move on to the fourth unit, planning and organizing, meaning, definition and characteristics, types of plans. Very important for 12 marks. Definitely will come in your examination for 12 marks. Okay, then approaches to planning is for 5 marks, one for 12 marks, one for 5 marks. Completed. Then move on, principles of organization. Okay, principles of organization is for 12 marks. It is very important. Organization, line and staff. Organization, line and staff for 12 marks. It is very important question. Okay, then fifth unit, move on to the fifth unit, authority, coordination and control. One question will definitely come from coordination and control. Authority, learn this for short one. Authority meaning, power and responsibility for short one. Long for delegation of authority, decentralization of authority for long one. Okay, then coordination, controls. In the coordination, learn principles of coordination. From control, learn steps in control, types of control. Okay, so this is your very important question which I have given you. Steps in control is very important and types of control is very important. Definitely one will come in your examination. Decentralization and delegation, definitely one will come in your examination. From this both question and from this both question, definitely one will come in your examination. So you can easily write your answer with the internal choice. Okay, I will explain you each and every unit as well as the most important question according to your syllabus. So learn this answer to get the very good marks. You will definitely get the O+ result. Okay, so please follow all the things and learn well, prepare well and write your exam very well. Okay, so thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you.